Welcome back, folks. So today I'm going to create some text with some cracks in it. This was a requested tutorial, so I'm going to head on over to text and place some text on my workspace. In this text, I am going to type man of God, but I'm just going to type man and God. I'll make this a little bit larger like this. And I'm going to change the color to a gradient. So with the color chooser selected for the text, I'm going to go into the gradient colors, say see all, and I'm going to choose this gradient right here, and I'll leave it like that. Now I'm going to change the font as well. So I'll go into my font selector, and I'm going to choose a font called Mestizo. This is what it looks like right here. It's kind of a neat font. I'm going to reduce the space between man and God. So I'll come up here to advanced settings and I'll just bring that spacing down just a notch like that. I'm going to take a copy of this text, and in this text I'm going to type of, and I'll make this a little bit smaller like this. Now I'm also going to add an outline. I probably should have done that before, but I'll do it now. So I'll go into effects, I'll select outline. I'm going to change the color to this kind of goldish color like that. And I'll make this a little bit thinner, and I'll choose this text as well and do the same thing. Okay, so now I've got man, God, and I've got my of, which I want to place right in the center there. I'm going to grab all of this, make this a little bit larger like this. I'm going to take my background and I'm going to make it black. And that's what it's going to look like against a black background. Now, again, we want to add some cracks to this text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into elements, and in elements, I'm just going to search for cracks. I'll go into graphics, and if I grab that graphic right there and just place it on my text, you can see that that does kind of look like a crack going through my text. Now you can leave it as large as that, or you can make it smaller. You can make duplicates and just arrange them on your text like that. You can use a whole bunch of different cracks just to add variation to your design. And I'll add one more, and I'll bring this one over here. Let's go to position and layers, and let's bring of to the front. So there is of, and let's add some fire elements to this design. So I'm going to go into elements. I'll just type fire in there. I'm going to grab this one, and I'm going to flip this. And I'm going to place that right there. I'll make a duplicate. And I'm going to flip it the other way. And I'll put that there. And grab this one. And I'm also going to flip this. Make that a little bit smaller. And I'll put that there. I'll make a duplicate, and I'll put this one on this side right here. And again, let's go to position and layers, and let's bring of to the front. so that the fire is in behind. So what do you think of this? Now, keep in mind that this is not transparent. If I change or remove the background, we're going to see all of that black, those black cracks there. If you want to make this totally transparent, then what I would do is I would download this without the fire and then re-upload and remove the background, and that will remove the background of the black cracks. So that is pretty much how you add cracks to text. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, if you learned anything, press that like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. All right, guys, if you want to learn more about my live classes, ask me in the comments. And if you want to learn anything else, there's also a tutorial request form in the description, which you can fill out. And it really helps me to see a visual of what you want to learn. So you might want to add an image to that tutorial request form. Let me know what you thought of this tutorial in the comments. And if you want to learn more about my live classes, just ask me in the comments and I'll give you more information. All right, guys, for now, I will say bye-bye until next time.